Gossip. Talk about other people that is often unkind. There is a lot of gossip about me going around. What have you been saying? Her letter was full of gossip. Smooch, a kiss. Didn't I see you smooching with Mark at Kim's party? I was so embarrassed when I walked in on them having a smooch on the sofa. Vacant, not filled or occupied, available to use. The hospital has no vacant beds. We have 3 vacant apartments in our building. Sip, to flow slowly through something. The flood water sipped into the basement. Wobbly, shaking, swinging, and vibrating. The baby took a few wobbly steps towards me. I've been in bed with flu and my legs still feel a little wobbly. Trek, to walk a long distance. We spent the day trekking through forests and over mountains. We did an 8-hour trek yesterday. Indulge, to allow yourself or someone else to have something enjoyable. He indulged his passion for eating cake whenever he could. He was indulged to his grandchildren. Envisage, to imagine or expect something in the future, especially something good. Train fare increases of 50% are envisaged for the next year. When do you envisage finishing the project? Forms, an expected standard or a way of being or doing things. We need to recognize Europe's varied cultural, political, and ethical norms. Illness has become the norm for her. Commodity, anything can be bought and sold. The country's most valuable commodities include tin and diamonds. The goal is to raise the productivity of basic food commodities such as grains. Albeit, although the evening was very pleasant, albeit a little quiet. He tried, albeit without success. Welfare, physical and mental health and happiness. We were concerned for our parents' welfare when we heard about the storm in Florida. We are a progressive employer concerned with employee welfare. Erode, to slowly reduce or destroy something. The cliffs are eroding several feet a year. His behavior over the last few months has eroded my confidence in his judgment.